watermelon gin cocktail. Refreshing, yet boozy. We begin with a lime, cut in half with a very dull knife. Then in a lowball glass, and a lime squeezer, or a citrus squeezer, or whatever you call these things, he squeezes a lime. And squeezes the living juice out of it. Then he brings in the key ingredient, fresh watermelon juice. In this case, he's using orange Angostura Bitters. You can use regular Angostura Bitters, but orange adds the nice citrus flavor. This may look like water, but it's not. It's gin. A very nice botanical gin. This also goes in the glass. Then, some ice. Nothing fancy, but nothing too dull. Just frozen H2O. He then gives it a stir, not to dilute, or to cool, simply to mix. And to garnish, he cuts a lime wheel. Again, with a very dull knife. A small slit, and onto the lip it goes. Along with a metal straw, because, well, he cares about the sea turtles. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. And until next time, drink well. I thought that'd be more dramatic.